Hello everyone and welcome back. I am Professor Gurpreet Dhillon. In today's lecture, we're going to explore an important question that lies at the heart of every social science discipline. Can the methods used to study atoms, planets, and biological organisms also be used to study people, cultures, and societies? This question forms the foundation of the philosophy of social science. This branch of philosophy examines the assumptions, methods, goals, and limitations of the social sciences. Today, I will provide an overview by discussing four central questions. What is the social world? How can we know it? How do we explain it? And what role do values play? Let's begin. What is the social world? This first question concerns ontology, which refers to the study of what exists. In the natural sciences, objects are often tangible, but social scientists study concepts like culture, power, and institutions. Are social structures real entities that exist independently of individuals? Or are they simply the result of individual actions? Those who emphasize structure argue that institutions and norms shape individual choices. Those who emphasize agency argue that individuals actively create and transform social realities through their actions. Then, how can we know the social world? This concerns epistemology, the study of knowledge. Historically, positivists argued that social science should imitate the natural sciences, seeking universal laws. However, human beings possess consciousness. Interpretivists argue we must understand the meanings people assign to their experiences. The philosopher Max Weber distinguished between causal explanation and interpretive understanding. Social science often requires both. Finally, can social science be objective? We must strive for evidence-based conclusions while recognizing our own values and perspectives. By examining these foundations, we become more thoughtful researchers. Thank you for joining me on this journey.